Greetings one, greetings all. Wales, one of the remotest areas in the British Isles, and it's absolutely fantastic to come out on your own for a walk. But sometimes it's better with friends. Greetings Sammie.
Greetings Peter.
Greetings Llyn.
Greetings, Peter.
Do you fancy a walk around the lake of Trawsfynydd?
Yes, let's do that. Life boy. Hey, that's discriminative, you can't say that now.
No. So Llyn, is this a natural lake or man-made?
Well, it is a natural lake. It was a natural lake, but it has been interfered with by man because we've got a dam, and that's what we're stood on. But the dam's only a small one, it's holding the water back. The lake was here anyway, but it's been increased in size because of the dam. The position that we've had is that we've been coming along the path. However, the footpath took a very hard left, but the path carried on as a track straight on. Now we carried on straight on, but we should have taken the hard left, which is what we've now done. And we need to be along the edge of a forest and against a wall. And this is the forest and this is the wall. So we are now actually running along the right path and we're on the right side of the lake. So that's fantastic. So it is this way.
One thing I do love about this walk is wherever you go in it, wherever you end up as you're going along the path, there are fantastic views and things to see and nature at its best. And I was trying to pick out the best bit, but wherever you end up, you know, 500 yards from the last part, you think this is the best part. We've got height here, so obviously we've got excellent views of the lake and also the power station and the dam itself. The path circumnavigates the Llyn, but is actually about 400 to 500 yards from the edge of the shore. There are uppy and downy bits, but there's also a very nice bridge which we're hoping to come across and maybe get to go over it. I hope so. We're in the village of Trawsfynydd, and there's two famous people, two famous sons to come from this village. The first one is behind me, Llyn. Now he was a famous Welsh writer, a Welsh poet, and he actually won a huge award, the National Eisteddfod Chair, in 1917. However, he was over in France when it was awarded, and he was killed before it was presented to him. The other famous person from Traws, one called John Roberts. Now we have to go back to the 1600s for his history. He was, oh dear, he was a Catholic, which made it dangerous times for him and the Catholic faith in general in Elizabethan England. He was caught saying Mass and he was exiled. He was exiled on 4 different occasions and he kept coming back. And finally he was caught saying Mass in London. At that time the government had had enough of him and they dragged him to the Tower, and he was martyred, hung, drawn and quartered. John Roberts, Saint John Roberts.
Isn't it a pity how all these small local businesses are dying?
The walk is 10 miles, but it is mainly on the flat, mainly. Well, this has been a fantastic walk around Llyn, Trawsfynydd. We've had wonderful weather, wonderful scenery and wonderful company. Take care, see you soon. Bye for now. Bye!
Live my life in a departure lounge, and I will not stop until I have you found. I don't know what it is about you, girl, but I keep searching all around the world, all around the world, all around the world, all around the world. all around.